Hello everyone. Fatty here with a video lesson going over the week that we just finished up here. Let's go over that. Weakest week dollar wise here, but best percent wise. So another first lesson here, but we've had this lesson before in the past. No need to really focus on your percent wins. Just focus on cutting your losses quickly and letting your runners or your winners run and really maximizing that way, because it's okay if you take a bunch of losses if they're all very small and your one gain is gigantic. Who cares? The name of the game is really being consistent, consistently making money. So whichever way it comes, but not bad. 4 for 6, finishing the end of the week. Not that great. Started off pretty strong here, but towards the end, I think I got in my head doing pretty good. I started overthinking and having fear of taking a loss. I wanted it to be a perfect week at this point, and was just overthinking some plays, missed some plays, mistimed things, and it kind of bit me in the ass. Here we are going over the plays that I've taken, the patterns. VWAP Proclaim. We got a momentum play on AGRI. What did that one work out? Well, yes, it did. It did. Yes, I remember this one. It was into after hours, if I remember. Um, but then we got a multi-month break, a multi-day breakout. This one was just pre-market AGRI, so that one was breaking the rules a little bit, but I also corrected for that by taking smaller size and taking my quick gains, setting my sell order right at a resistance level where I was aiming for at 330. So getting in at 289 average, letting the trend hold, small size because it's pre-market, not used to it, and I get the quick move, and it was really just over this breakout level here over 280. So just keeping things simple. Towards the end of the week here, I was really just, I don't know why, just out of it. Um, GOVX totally missed this play. Perfect VWAP hold high at daybreak in the healthcare sector. Sympathy to SIGA, wherever that is. And that's taken off. So that was a little disappointing, missing these two plays and taking losses. This one on Thursday here, INDP. The lesson with this one really was volume. Volume, volume, volume. That was the key, because there was another one at that time that ended up working out. Oh God, what was it? Shoot. I'm forgetting it right now. But oh, NURO. That's what it was. Let's compare these two real quick. As you can see here, what was going on. The only difference, insane volume coming through compared to INDP here late day. Not that significant. You got a bunch of overhead resistance volume wise in the morning, and it just couldn't outdo it. It held up. Shorts kept control, and just took the loss. NURO was the better play, and that's low floaters. That's a good lesson on low floaters, how they can move, especially when volume is there, and they keep holding trend. So follow the volume is really all I can say with this one. That was a kind of a dumb loss. Should have really taken that. And then there was DPSI to end the week, looking for the multi-day bounce. Got a little fake out here and took a bigger loss than I expected. I had my stop. It wasn't a stop limit. It was just a market stop loss, and ended up getting in order getting through a little further than I had expected. I was really having it set at 698, and we just shoot right through it. So I took a little bit extra loss, but not bad. Still keeping it under control. Looking for the bounce play. It's a pattern I like. You're gonna take losses. Can't do much about it. But still, profitable on the week. Can't complain about that. 4 for 6 still isn't horrible, but really disappointed with the end of the week, how I performed. Just started overthinking and letting fear get into affect my trading. So we're gonna definitely be a lot calmer heading into this next week. Just letting the play come to me and not trying to force something like this one, which I guess wasn't necessarily a force. I could have been more patient and let play in this market environment, let the spike happen, and then let's see if we get a confirmation. For example, Pixie was a great example for the multi-day bounce here, where it did that. You get the burst, failure to break down, it keeps holding trend. You don't have to be right there right when it breaks. So I guess that's another lesson here on the week. Just wait for the confirmation. Another one, BWV. Oops. Here we are. You get the burst, failure to break down, and continuation higher. Yeah, so we'll just wrap it up there. Just wait for plays to confirm in this market where things are a little shaky, as well as talking about some of this monkeypox plays, these healthcare plays moving a bit. Follow the eyes. That also goes under following volume. So see what's hot. Follow the trend. If it's not working out, volume isn't there, it's an ignore. But here we are. On a day like this was what's hot on the day, and it had the volume, it had the trend, ended up offering a solid opportunity. But that's all you can really do. Take your quick snipes, buy near key support areas once you see confirmation, sell into the spike, quick 10-15%. And yeah, that's kind of it. And that's really all I'm doing. Cutting the losses quick, letting the runners, add up. And that's how we're walking away profitable this month. It's been a shaky market, but we're still walking away green, and it's simply from buying at key levels after consolidation, which I kind of lacked at the end of the week here, and having that good risk reward and selling into the spikes, not worrying about getting a 20-25% runner. Take your quick 10-15% and let it add up. And as you can see here, even with these smaller numbers, it's still adding up. So we're just going to keep doing that. Hope everyone had a great week and got something out of this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Besides that, check us out on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders, as well as tradecaster.com for low-cost live streams. Have a great one.